For today's lessons for beginners, I'm going to draw and paint watercolor of a pig with a boy sitting on top of it. It will be really fun. Let's take a look. So first thing, I'm going to plan the space pigs would be here. And then I'm going to put the boy sitting on the top. So I'm going to have the boy like this, and the back, the body of the boy, and then the face could be a little bit bigger, like that. And then the front, the leg will be like this. Okay, like that. There's only a rough drawing at this stage, right? The two legs. Now I'm going to add the head. So the face right over here. Like that. And the mouth. It looks like a very friendly. They are good friends together. Okay. This one is the HB pencil. So what I just used is a 2H, so a little bit lighter, like that. There you go. When you have a good drawing, it helps you when you start the painting. Okay. How the anatomy of the pig look like. Okay, that's good. Have a little opening in the front over here, and have a little small part. Hey, that's good. Yes, like that, and little fold. Here you go. Now it's a little by little, just follow me, and you can draw the same. And here you go. And the back over here, there's another leg. Maybe a little bit smaller. So, okay. Now come up over here. Now here you go, very round. And the back over here. There's some hair, very soft. Like this. And then the ear. I'm gonna make the ear looks really fun. The little ear on the other side. Like that. That looks really good. And then I'm gonna have some suggestions for the ground. A little catch the shadow when I do the painting. Okay, make this a little bit darker. I have the image of these drawings in the video descriptions. You can download it and you can carefully following the drawing process to finish the drawing before we start this watercolor painting. How are we going to start the painting? Let's start painting a little skin color onto the face. Speaking of skin color, I'm going to have a free workshop for everyone, but you need to register because we only can take 100 people into this workshop. So follow the link in the video descriptions and go over there to register for it. And I will invite you to this free workshop, which is coming up very soon. I'm gonna mix the little red. I already see a little brown color over here. And I'm gonna take the yellow color, a little red. And I'm gonna make it a little bit darker, like that. It's already have a little blue color over here. But in the workshop, I will talk very in depth, and you can mix the color with me for different skin tones. Okay, now I'm gonna put this color right over here. I need a little bit more red. Here you go. Put it on the skin. Like that. Maybe a little bit more red. And let's see, I'm gonna put it all the way into the hair area. That's fine. And then I'm gonna put the darker color for the hair a little bit later. Okay, that's good. Now I'm gonna apply this color on the hand. Also gonna apply it for the leg. like that. And then I'm gonna do the clothing blue color. Okay, put the blue color like this. This is probably the good blue color. A little red color, like that. There you go. This is fun. And then put in the pants. Like that. That looks good. I'm gonna have a little bit darker color on the shadow area. That's fun. And some folding over here, like that. And on the shoes. Start from the pig's face. I'm going to just looks mostly as just like a red color. So I'm just take the red color and start over here from the ear. And watercolor is mostly takes 4 to 5 minutes to dry after you apply it to the watercolor paper. And when you use this brush, you can actually have the blending very quickly, and just having the tip and usually have more colors and the top over here have less color. When you paint, you can paint it like, for example, and under here you can paint it like this, so you can have dark to light, have some transition automatically apply to it. Okay. That's fun. And I'm gonna use a little lighter and the tip of the ear, and also have a little bit darker. Now that's good. Look like a pig already, right? Carefully have the color in here. Don't touch to the blue color that much, and it's still wet. Okay, like that. That's good. So I'm gonna come to the back. Continue. You see how I render this brush, and when I want one area a little bit darker, the other area a little bit lighter. So I have the tip of the brush pointing to the darker area, and the top of the brush is facing to the lighter area. Okay, that's good. Now this painting is almost done. Now I'm gonna give a little catch the shadow on the ground. Like that. So show it actually has lighting. Okay. And now I'm going to add a little bit darker color to the hair, and then come back to the pig. Okay, I'm gonna mix the blue color with the red color. It will become a very dark color. This is dark enough. That's good. And now I'm gonna just put the color around the ear. Here you go. Like that. And then I'm going to use the water to make the color a little bit lighter. Now I come back, but I want to do a little bit more with the pink already on my brush. So I'm gonna come here to make this a little bit darker, give a little fold like that, and then on the top over here, And take a look. I can add a little dark color here too. This brush can make a very, very clear detail line and the bottom over here, like that. Okay, that's good. Now I add a little water to my brush. Just the clean brush. Now I'm gonna have it come down a little bit because at the bottom over here is the hair a little bit thinner, so a little bit lighter. Now this is good. Now I come back to give a little suggestions for the mouth. And under here have a little shadow. Put a little suggestions for the eye. And also the shadow over here for the ear, like that. There you go. Now separate the front leg and the back leg. A little color over here have showing the face is rounded like this. That's good. Okay, now the bottom over here have a little big shadow like that. That's great. Now this painting is finished. Now it's your turn. If you want, you can follow this step by step. You can paint the boy sitting on top of the pig. In the comment, please let me know what you like to paint next. Have fun.